Whole strawberries arrive under temperature control to protect quality.
Each pallet is labeled to maintain full traceability through processing.
Accurate weights support yield tracking and mass balance.
Documentation and pulp temperature confirm supplier compliance.
Collect samples for grading.
Visual grading determines suitability for puree processing.
Sugar and acidity define formulation and safety targets.
Only compliant lots enter the processing line. Failing lots are isolated to protect the process.
FIFO staging ensures freshness and traceability.
Gentle tipping prevents damage before washing. Early debris removal protects downstream equipment.
Plume washing cleans while minimizing impact on soft fruit.
Rinsing removes remaining surface contamination.
Sanitizer contact reduces microbial load under controlled conditions.
A final rinse ensures no sanitizer remains on fruit. Dewatering improves inspection accuracy and yield.
Post-wash checks confirm sanitation performance.
Gentle transfer protects berry integrity before sorting.
Proper spacing enables accurate optical and manual sorting.
Automated vision removes defects at high speed. Optically sort berries. Defects are removed to protect quality and safety. Low drop feeding prevents unnecessary damage. Size reduction prepares fruit for efficient pulping. Controlled pumping protects texture and throughput. Pulping releases usable flesh while isolating solids. Finishing smooths puree while diverting fiber for byproduct use. Dewatering prepares fiber for efficient drying. Fine sieving ensures uniform texture before deaeration.
Deaeration protects color and flavor during heat treatment.
Homogenization improves mouthfeel and phase stability. Oxidation achieves microbial safety under verified conditions. Controlled cooling protects quality before aseptic handling.
Record review confirms the safety step was met.
Aseptic holding protects puree before filling. Filler setup ensures sterility during packering. Sterile filling maintains product safety without preservatives. Secure seals protect the sterile barrier. Clear coating preserves traceability to raw fruit lots. Check weighing confirms contractual fill accuracy. Vision inspection detects seal defects early. Final inspection protects customers from physical hazards.
Pack bags into cases.
Sealed cases protect bags during handling. Palletizing stabilizes loads for storage and transport.
Wrapping prevents movement and contamination.
Controlled storage preserves product quality until shipment.
Proper loading completes the production flow.
Controlled feeding ensures uniform fiber drying. Drying stabilizes fiber for safe storage and milling. Proper setup ensures effective cleaning. Detergent circulation removes product residues.
Verify, rinse, and release. Complete records support audits and traceability. Clear handover maintains continuity between shifts.
This one is sealed and ready.
Yep, just need your signature right here and you're all set.
Verify waste segregation.
Drain sanitation reduces environmental contamination risks.
Scheduling aligns inventory with outbound transport.
Dock readiness ensures safe and hygienic loading.
Verification prevents shipping errors.
Controlled loading completes outbound handling.
Wedge that bar against the pallets.
Okay, throwing the strap over now. Securing the ratchet.
Sealing ensures shipment integrity to destination.
Here's the bill of lading. If you could just sign at the bottom there.
Sure. Here's the clipboard back.
Shipment leaves the facility for delivery.
System confirmation closes the outbound order. Dock cleaning prevents pest attraction and contamination. Timely waste removal supports hygiene and compliance.
The yield metrics dipped here. Was that related to the downtime we saw earlier?
Yes, but the quality output remains stable overall for the shift.
Energy control marks full end of operations.
The production cycle is fully complete and secured.